everybody, today is Tuesday and is StampTV Day. Last time we talked about some tips when buying a home in Boca Raton, Florida. So today I'll be sharing more tips like these with you. I'm Kristin Stampini. Now let's get started. So, getting a home inspection. Once you go under contract, you will want a home inspection typically. And basically what this is gonna do is it's going to make sure that if there is any structural issues or damage that may need fixing, you're definitely gonna know about it. And you may be able to adjust it in the price or getting it fixed. Next, you're gonna wanna work with a mortgage banker or lender for your loan. And lenders have a wide variety of competitively priced loan programs and a reputation, for the most part, for exceptional service. And you're gonna have questions when you are purchasing a home, and having one that's experienced and responsive, even on the weekends, is really important and much easier to work with. Also, your home is going to get appraised if you're getting a loan. So lenders are gonna arrange for an appraisal to provide an independent estimate of the value of the house that you're buying. The appraiser usually is a member of a third-party company and is not directly associated with the lender. The appraiser will get all parties involved and know that you are paying a fair price for the home, or maybe you need to adjust the price if it doesn't appraise. Also, coordinate the paperwork. There is tons and tons of paperwork, as you can imagine, when buying a home. And if you're using a realtor, basically they can help you get set up with a title company, or actually the mortgage lender can do that as well. We want to make sure you have clear title and actually own the home that you're buying. So that is an important part of purchasing a home. Also, close the sale. At closing, you will all sign all the paperwork required to complete the purchase, including your loan documents. It typically takes a couple days for your loan to be funded after the paperwork, at least usually 24 hours or so, and returned to the lender. And once the check is delivered to the seller, you will have access to the home, but not until then. You're not going to have the keys before the seller actually gets the money. So that's all for today in this video, and I hope you found this episode informative. Please like, hit thumbs up, ask questions, also follow me. We'll see you next week on StampTV Tuesday.